Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Beta, today we will do lesson 5 of Unit 3. Today we will do lesson 5 of Unit 3, beta. So, open your book at page number 24. Open your book at page number 24, beta. Now, beta, name of the lesson is Famous Personality. What is the name of the lesson? Famous personalities. बेटा what do you mean by famous? Famous क्या होता है? A person well known for his or her work is called a famous person. A person well known for his or her work is called a famous person, beta. Here in this chapter, we will discuss some famous Indian personalities. We will discuss some famous Indian personalities, beta. So, first is Mother Teresa. Her birth name was Agnes. Beta, Agnes means pure. Agnes means pure. Mother Teresa spent her whole life for the care of poor and sick people. She took care of them just like a mother. That's why she is called Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa looked after poor and sick people just like a mother. That's why she is called Mother Teresa. Now, beta, next is Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil is a politician who served as the 12th President of India. She was the first woman President of India. She is a politician who served as the 12th President of India, and she was the first woman President of India. Now, beta, next is Sunita Williams. Beta, next is Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is an Indo-American woman who had a record of spending longest time in spacewalks. Now, beta, what is a space? A space is an area beyond the atmosphere which has no air. स्पेस क्या होती है बेटा? ऐसा एरिया हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर से ऊपर जिसमें एयर नहीं होती है. क्लियर बेटा? एरिया अराउंड प्लैनेट्स, जहां पे एयर नहीं होती है. So, beta, Sunita Williams had a record of spending longest time on spacewalks. Spacewalks means, beta, living in the area, living in space without, outside the craft. Spacewalks means living in the space outside her craft. Clear, beta? Sunita Williams is an Indo-American woman who had record of spending longest time on spacewalks. And she is the second Indian woman to go to space. First was Kalpana Chawla and second is Sunita Williams. Now, next is Asha Bhosle. Asha Bhosle is a famous classical singer of India. Asha Bhosle is a famous classical singer of India. Now next is Bhagat Singh. Who is Bhagat Singh? Bhagat Singh is a great freedom fighter who fought against the British rule in India. He has a great role in making the India free. Bhagat Singh was a great freedom fighter who fought against British rule. Clear beta? Bhagat Singh was a great freedom fighter. Next is beta Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore belongs to Bengal. He was a great poet. That's why he is called Bard of Bengal. Our national anthem Jan Gan Man has also been written by Pandit Rabindranath Tagore. He is also a great personality. He is a great poet. Next is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of Free India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of Free India, beta. Clear? And children call him Chacha Nehru. Children call him Chacha Nehru. Next is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the Queen of Jhansi. He was also a great freedom fighter who fought against the British. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the Queen of Jhansi who fought against the British. Clear beta? And last is Indira Gandhi. She is the only female Prime Minister of India. Female means women Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi is the only female Prime Minister of India. Clear beta? Again we will revise. Indira Gandhi, only female Prime Minister of India. Rani Lakshmi Bai, Queen of Jhansi, who fought against the British. Then Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of Free India. After that, Rabindranath Tagore, Bard of Bengal. He was a great poet. Pandit Rabindranath Tagore was called Bard of Bengal. Bard means poet. Then Bhagat Singh, a great freedom fighter who fought against the British rule. Next is Asha Bhosle, a famous classical singer of India. Asha Bhosle, a famous classical singer of India, beta. Next is Sunita Williams, an astronaut who had a record of spending longest time on spacewalks. Then Pratibha Patil, first women president of India. Mother Teresa. Her birth name was Agnes. She was a nun and she spent her whole life for the care of poor and sick people. Clear beta? Revise these great personalities. Clear? All of you will revise these great personalities beta and will fill all the blanks in your book. Is it clear, beta? That's all for today, beta. Have a nice day.